Greetings AI enthusiasts and web marketers. Welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to generate text to video with ChatGPT. And in this example I have this article I generated with AI right here, 755 word count on how to become a race car driver. Here's the article. I'm going to copy and paste into my ChatGPT text to video GPT, and to access Explore GPTs right here you need a premium membership with OpenAI in order to access these some of these GPTs. So here they have different kinds of GPTs for writing, for image, programming. Search public GPTs right here. For inVideo, this is a video maker by inVideo AI, text to video, and I'll be also testing out other AI video generation tools, text to videos and things like that. Stay tuned. For now, in this example, click on Video Maker by inVideo AI. It's got pretty good reviews, and let's start the chat right here. And now I'm just going to paste in my script directly, just like that. Send the message, and then make sure you confirm the access that you're linking your GPT with inVideo. And here my video, how to become a race car driver, is being generated. And now I can click here to watch the video, and it is currently being generated. You can see the progress right here, 0%. Alright guys, here it is, the completed video. And I've also made an account with inVideo, and you don't need to, but I just did it just to see how it works, and it was quick and easy, free. So this is the video, and it does have some of the watermarks for stock images and videos being used, and it is previewing in 480p, and you can export it in 1080 HD, but let's preview anyways just to see how it works.
Dreamed of becoming a race car driver, of feeling the adrenaline rush as you speed down the track, the roar of the engine in your ears? Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, the path to becoming a race car driver. Step 1 on this high-speed journey is getting the right training. You wouldn't expect to fly a plane without lessons, and the same goes for racing. There are
Alright, let me export it, because previewing online looks a little bit laggy. So here are the export features. Stock watermark, otherwise you need to upgrade to see or to remove the watermarks. Same with the subtitles, and you can do a 1080p export. And while we wait, here are the prices for inVideo. Let's do monthly, so free for video AI video creation with the watermark, and $25 for removing the watermarks. Okay guys, here is the downloaded video. Let's play.
Have you ever dreamed of becoming a race car driver? Of feeling the adrenaline rush as you speed down the track, the roar of the engine in your ears? Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, the path to becoming a race car driver. Step 1 on this high-speed journey is getting the right training. You wouldn't expect to fly a plane without lessons, and the same goes for racing. There are plenty of racing schools out there, each with their own unique programs and specialties. Look for schools accredited by motorsport governing bodies for a solid foundation in the sport. Next, you'll need to get your racing license. This isn't your average driving license, it's a special permit that allows you to compete in races. The requirements vary from one place to another, so do your research and make sure you meet all the necessary criteria.
Alright, so the video is pretty good. A bunch of relevant stock images and videos. So I'm pretty happy with the results, except the watermark, of course. Okay, so this tool is quite useful. Text to video with ChatGPT and inVideo. It'll cost money to remove these watermarks, but otherwise it works pretty good for AI generation of videos. And I'm still testing other AI text to video tools where the videos are actually generated by AI and not with royalty free stock images or videos. So I'm still testing around, and stay tuned for more AI review videos. Thanks again, and until next time, have a lovely day. Thank you.